Hello guys, I am Shri Chaudhary from Harimaya International School. Today we will understand the first chapter of physics, class 10th. The title of the lesson is electricity. What is electricity? And what are the usage? As you are very much aware that nowadays today we are totally depending upon electricity. Today everywhere we find electricity, the usage of electricity. All the appliances are running by electricity. Even trains are running, industries. So we can say today our life is not possible. हम जिंदा ही नहीं रह सकते without electricity. This has become a part of our life. हमारे दैनिक जीवन का एक अंग बन गया है. So here we have to understand the types of charges. There are two types of charges, positive as well as negative. When two positive charges come together, they repel to each other. And when opposite charges come together, these attract to each other. This is the basic property of electric charges. All the metals are good conductors of heat and electricity, as well as all the insulators are bad conductors of electricity and heat. There are two types of electric charges. Number one, there is static electricity, and number two, that is current electricity. Static electricity. When we rub a comb on our hair, the comb gets charged. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, अक्सर बच्चे खेलते खेलते खेल में एक काम करते हैं, वो अपने बालों में एक कंघी को लेकर उसको कई बार अपने बालों को ब्रश करते हैं, उससे कॉम करते हैं. जब वो बच्चे उस कॉम्ब को कागज के छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों के पास मिलाते हैं, तो वो कॉम्ब उन छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों को अपनी ओर अट्रैक्ट करता है. What is the reason behind it? क्या कारण है इसके पीछे? Actually, what happens when they comb their hair, the comb gets charged. कॉम के ऊपर एक चार्ज आ जाता है, that is positive, और जो कागज के टुकड़े हैं उनके ऊपर एक चार्ज है, that is opposite charge, negative. And when both positive and negative comes together, they attract to each other. वो दोनों एक दूसरे को अपनी तरफ खींचते हैं. That's why this is the reason. So we can say the static electricity is such kind of electricity which is at the position of rest. जो static electricity होती है उसमें जो charges होती हैं वो एक जगह पर रुके हुए होती हैं. Now we are moving towards the current electricity. First of all, we have to understand what is current. ज्यादातर लोग ये समझते हैं करंट मीन्स अगर हम किसी ऐसे वायर को जिसमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास हो रही है टच कर लें तो वो एक शॉक देता है, दैट इज करंट. दैट इज नॉट द करंट. एक्चुअली करंट मीन्स धारा जो बहती है, विच फ्लोज, दैट इज करंट. देयर मे बी वाटर करंट, देयर मे बी द करंट ऑफ द रिवर, करंट ऑफ एयर, हवा का एक बहना, हवा का प्रवाह, पानी का प्रवाह. सो if we have to consider in case of electricity, we must say electric current. हमें इलेक्ट्रिक करंट बोलना चाहिए, लेकिन हमने उसको अपनी सुविधा के हिसाब से सिर्फ करंट के रूप में बोलना शुरू कर दिया. Now, so the charges acquired by any glass rod, comb, ebonite rod, these are static electricity. Example of static electricity. Even charge which is found in clouds, that is also a kind of static electricity. And current electricity, the charge which moves, which is in motion, that is current electricity. For an example, the electric power which is available, which is present, which is found in our houses, by taking help of which we run our appliances, that is called current electricity. Now, we will understand two very important points: electric potential and potential difference. First of all, here we will discuss about electric potential. The electric potential at a point in an electric field is defined as the work done in moving a unit positive charge from infinity to that particular point. Means electric potential वो है जब किसी एक यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज को अनंत से एक इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में मौजूद किसी एक बिंदु तक लाने में जो कार्य किया जाता है उसको हम इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल कहते हैं. I think this will be clear to all of you. Once again, I am reminding you, if you do not understand anything anywhere, you can write your problem in the comment box. Then only I can remove your problem. Otherwise, it's good. Now, let us proceed toward potential difference. What is the potential difference? The potential difference between 2 points in an electric field. यहां पर क्या है, दोनों पॉइंट्स एक ही इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के अंदर हैं. उसमें क्या था, एक पॉइंट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड पर था और दूसरा पॉइंट अनंत पर था, इंफिनिटी पर था. Between 2 points in an electric field, circuit or electric circuit is described as the amount of work done in moving a unit charge from one point to another point. किसी एक इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट में मौजूद किसी एक बिंदु पर किसी एक दूसरे बिंदु से एक यूनिट चार्ज को लाने में जो कार्य किया जाता है वो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस कहलाता है. This is the basic difference in between electric potential and potential difference. It means potential difference is equal to work done upon that quantity of charge moved. Is it clear? Potential difference is equal to work done upon quantity of charge moved. किए गए कार्य को जब हम जो चार्ज मूव कराया गया है उससे डिवाइड कर देते हैं तो वो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस के बराबर होता है. सो if we have denoted two potential difference by using the capital letter V, work done is W and the charge moved, that is Q, then V is equal to W upon Q, means work done upon quantity of charge moved. And as you are very much aware that work is always being measured in joule as well as this charge in coulomb. So 1 volt is equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. The potential difference is measured by instrument called voltmeter. पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस को नापने के लिए हम जिस यंत्र का इस्तेमाल करते हैं उसे हम वोल्टामीटर कहते हैं. Rest of the things, what is current and other things regarding the current, we will discuss in our very next video. By the meantime, go through all this, whatever I have told you: potential difference, electric potential, charges, electricity, and so on.